In the last video, I have shown you how to add adaptive banner ads in a React Native application, but it has a problem. Every time user scrolls the app, the adaptive banner ad comes on the screen like this. Now user has to close it. It is not a good experience for user. What is the solution of it? One solution is you can add a padding or a margin between the last element between the content of your app and the ad, or you can use a simple banner ad instead of adaptive banner ad. To add a simple banner ad, what changes you have to do is this is my banner ad component. Here I have specified that I want to use anchored adaptive banner ad. So I will remove this and use a simple banner ad and the issue will fix. Let me reload the app. And now you can see the ad is not covering the content of my app. It is a much better experience for users. If we talk about the difference between Anchor Adaptive Banner and Standard Banner, the difference is Anchor Adaptive Banner are more advanced and offer a modern UX as compared to Standard Banner. And they also offer a better revenue over Standard Banner.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Also visit my channel and watch these interesting videos.